Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining this training. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for you to join. So we're going to be looking at generally what software testing is all about, and at the end, and I believe you'll be a good tester. Okay, so let me give you an overview of what we'll be doing throughout this course. And one of them is we're going to be looking at the overview of software testing, and I will start with that. Testing is a critical phase of software development lifecycle. Software testing is a process in which the defects are identified, isolated, suggested for justification, and also to ensure that the product, which is the application, is defect-free in order to produce quality product or application based on your understanding. However, it requires the necessary knowledge. In this course, you will learn everything that is required to form a good tester or to be a good tester. Course objective. The course objective of this training is for you to understand what is software testing, to understand software testing lifecycle, to know different approach to testing, to understand the different type of testing, to create test plan, to create and manage test cases, to execute the test cases, to find bug, and to report bug, and to escalate to developer, and to test issue. So everything that has to do with software testing here, you will learn. Then you might want to know, am I good for this course? So these are the prerequisites. You must have a basic knowledge of computer to be a software tester. Yes. You must have your internet connection. Beginner who want to start their career in software testing field. This course is for you. Already a tester, good. You can refresh all your testing basics and technique and gear up for certification in software testing. Fresh graduate, if you have passed out of college recently and looking for a job in keywords like testing industry, then this course will definitely help you build skill required for your first job. Are you a non-programmer? If you are interested in IT but hate programming or find it difficult, then testing allow you focus less on programming and more on analysis skill. Non-IT professionals. If you are currently working in some other field but interested in building a career in IT, then this course will help you step into the IT field. So in our first class, this is what we'll be looking at. This class is for overview, the general overview. So this is not, I won't classify this as the first class. In our next video, in our next class, you will know what is software testing. So that is our first starting with software testing introduction. So I will introduce software testing to you. In this module, you will learn about the importance of testing, why testers are needed in every industry. You will learn, that is where I will tell you what is testing, the importance of testing, the role and responsibility of a tester, principles of software testing, what is quality, how much testing is enough, and the difference between manual and automation testing. Module 2 class, we'll be looking at software development lifecycle and software testing lifecycle. In this module, you will learn about development procedure, and you also learn about what is LDLC and what is STLC. Module 3, the next class, we'll be looking at software testing methodologies. In this module, you will learn about different types of software testing development. So in the fourth class, we'll be looking at test case design technique. This will be a practical class. This is where we start our practical. In this module, you will learn how to design test cases. In the fifth class, we will look at the level of testing. We have the functional testing. Under functional testing, we have the unit testing, we have the integration testing, system testing, user acceptance testing, sanity or smoke testing, regression testing, and retests. In the non-functional testing. We will look at the performance testing, scalability testing, compatibility testing, security testing. In the module 6 of this application, and in module 6 of this training, we'll look at what we will now call software testing lifecycle. In this model, you will learn about a detailed description of test lifecycle, importance of test plan rules, and responsibility of test manager, test lead, and test engineer. We'll look at the requirement analysis and design. We'll look at the test planning, which under we have the object, scope of testing, schedule, approach, assumption, risk and mitigation, entry and exit criteria, test automation. In this module, you will learn about how to log bug using test management tool, how to give severity priority to bug. So just like I said, I'm going to be putting you through in all this. You may not understand what I'm saying now, but once we start, you get to know that everything here is very simple. It's not that hard. It's a good course to begin, and I want to wish you the best and see you in the next class.